Now to Sean Diddy Combs. The case is back in court for a pre-sentencing hearing. Combs was acquitted last week of the most serious counts against him, but convicted on 2 lesser charges. Chief Investigative Correspondent Aaron Katersky at the courthouse. Good morning, Aaron.
And good morning to you, George. His lawyers will argue today that Sean Combs deserves some special treatment. They're hoping to get him out from behind bars as quickly as possible.
This morning, the case against Sean Combs returns to court following the split verdict acquitting him of the most serious charges. His attorneys will try to convince the judge to skip some procedural steps and sentence Combs as soon as possible.
We are not nearly done fighting. We are just getting started. We're going to win, and we're not going to stop until he walks out of prison a free man to his family.
The defense argues there are exceptional circumstances that warrant an expedited sentencing, pointing to the 2018 death of his longtime partner, Kim Porter. The mother of some of his children had passed away many years ago, defense attorney Mark Agnifilo said in court last week. These kids, the 2 daughters here sitting in the middle of Your Honor's second row, don't have a parent. Federal prosecutors suggested they are in no rush to get Combs sentenced, telling the judge the only things exceptional about this defendant are his wealth, his violence, and his brazenness. Combs has remained behind bars after the jury of 8 men and 4 women acquitted the hip-hop titan of the most severe charges of sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy, but convicted him of 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution related to ex-girlfriends Cassie Ventura and a woman who testified under the pseudonym Jane. He's facing a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison, though he's likely to receive much less.
A spokesperson told us that when Combs returned to jail following the announcement of the verdict here at court, fellow inmates broke out into applause, and he spent the last few days since, we're told, on the phone with relatives and lawyers preparing to ask the judge for a lenient sentence. George?
Aaron Katersky, thanks.